Good afternoon, student. Welcome to the VVPS learning classes. Today I am going to teach you the new chapter, that is the Indian Constitution. It is the civics first chapter. So our first topic is, what is a constitution? Constitution means it is a set of rules and regulation according to which a country is governed. First of all, let me explain you with the example. What it to be say? Yes, most of us are familiar with the game of cricket. Many of you might have played too. It is played according to certain rule and regulation. A batsman is given out by a umpire if he hit a ball in the air and the ball is caught by a fielder without touching the surface. The controversy arises when the batsman feels that the ball actually touched the ground before flying in the air, or when he feels that the fielder actually floated the catches before holding on to it. The decision of the umpire is finally, and the batsman has to be follow his decision. If a decision of the umpire was not considered final and respected by all the players, utter confusions and would have followed. Similarly, all games have certain rules according to which they are played. Rules are different for the different games. Another example also you can see, like the people living in a large society have to follow certain rules and regulation. In large society, different community of people living together, their interest and aspiration vary. What is advantage for a particular community might be disadvantages for the another. कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें होती है सोसाइटी में जो कुछ लोगों को पसंद है, वहीं कुछ दूसरी सोसाइटी ऐसी होती है जहाँ पे उन लोगों को वो सारी चीज़ें पसंद नहीं आती है. Most often their interest and aspiration clash. To avoid a conflict, all the people of a society have to follow certain rules which are formulated through a consensus. In modern society, this rule based on the consensus are written down in a document. A written document in which we find such rule is called a constitution. So children, clear up to here? Now I am writing the definition of the constitution. You can see what is constitution. Just now I have told you the constitution is a set of rules and regulation according to which a country is governed. According to which a country is governed. So the constitution may tell what the branches of the government are, what power they have, and how they work. It may also state the right of citizens. So I am writing here, you can see here, the constitution may also tell what the branches of the government are, what powers they have, and how they work. It may also state the rights of the citizen. You can write here. It may also state the right of citizens. Up to here it is clear, children? Constitution, it is a set of rules and regulation according to which a country is governed. The constitution may tell us what the branches of the government are, what the powers they have and how they work. It may also state the right of the citizens. मतलब अब ये कि संविधान के द्वारा ही देश को कैसे चलाया जाता है, क्या रूल रेगुलेशन है, क्या ड्यूटीज़ है गवर्नमेंट की, क्या ड्यूटीज़ है, इंडियन सिटीजन्स के क्या राइट्स हैं, वो सारी चीज़ें जो हैं वो हम लोग को कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में मिलते हैं. नाउ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इन द वर्ल्ड विद द 448 आर्टिकल्स, 22 पार्ट्स, 12 schedules. The Constitution was written on 26 November 1949 and was made the center of law in 26 January 1950. So this thing you must have to remember. First of all, the Indian Constitution is the longest constitution in the world. I am writing the second point. You can see here that the Indian Constitution, you write the Indian Constitution is the longest constitution in the world. हम लोग का जो संविधान है वो पूरे देश में सबसे बड़ा संविधान है. नाउ सेकेंड थिंग इज with the articles. You can write here how many articles and the parts are there. You can include here that it has 448 articles, 22 parts, 12 schedules, and you have to mention the year also that when it was written.